Hi, if you guys have ever given any interview in any product organization, you must have known that all the interview rounds are always move around data structure, algorithms, and system design topics. Check any top product based company interview, literally anyone, whether it's Google or Amazon or Facebook, Microsoft, Apple, or even Uber. Their main focus was to test the candidates' algorithms and system design skills. And the funny part is, whether you are a freshers or let's say you are a 3+ years experienced candidate, or let's say you are a 8+ years experienced candidate, or even you are a, let's say 15+ years experienced candidate, the pattern of interview will be same. The only difference is, as experience growing, your interview will be more focused on designing than coding. So guys, if you want to multi-fold your current package and want to get into the desired organization, then come to the world of algorithms and designing. Now the question comes, how to prepare for this topic. See, there are a lot of options are there. Either you can learn from these famous websites like Lead Code, Gigs for Gigs or Career Cup. They are good, but the problem is there are literally millions of problems are there to solve. So it will take at least 1 year to cover those problems. I'm sure no one wants to wait for 1 year to get ready for the interview. In fact, what if I tell you, no need to break your head with these millions of problems? Well, the only thing you need to do is to make your concepts very strong in all the core topic of algorithms and system design. So even if, let's say, you will face a new problem in interview which you have never solved before, you can able to solve within time by handling all the corner cases. So that's what we focus on more, that is concepts. We believe problems and examples are the best way to teach candidates. So we have the wide range of problems in every topic. So we can cover basic to advanced all the concepts in every topic of data structures and algorithm. That's not all. We have one more problem here, and that is the system design round in interview. So in this round, interviewer can ask to design any systems. So the purpose of this round is to check the candidate's subsystem understanding and the architectural skills. So what I mean is the candidate must have a sound knowledge of the concepts like sharding, distributed cache, Cassandra, MongoDB, and many more. So they give any system design problem during interview, and you need to use these concepts to design system which can handle millions or even billions of user. So what I mean is distributed systems or distributed scalable systems you need to design. So you can refer our system design section for it, where we explain all these subsystems in detail with live product examples. Now sometimes that's not sufficient. From multiple senior candidates interview experiences, we understand that there are few more stuffs required to crack interview. And our goal of this course is to provide end-to-end solution for cracking interview. So you can also learn microservice architecture, distributed systems, cloud deployment concepts, and multiple threadings and synchronization concepts. And these topics are very much required for cracking interview nowadays. By the way, the distributed system is very important for system design problems. So please don't miss that before interview. And at the end, we keep on updating this course and add more and more lecture as required for interview perspective. And all the subscriber will get update of that. So you can also refer our FAQ section to see the preparation sequence of this course. Please follow that sequence and finish the course and get into your desired organizations.